Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video. If you love growing your own vegetables but have only an apartment balcony where getting a decent yield from a tiny pot seems like a lot of struggle, then think again. Today I'll show you step by step simple hacks to unlock an explosion of fresh palak even from a tiny pot. To grow this superfood low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals, you need to have the perfect soil mix. So to my garden soil, I'm going to mix a little sand and cocoa peat, and I'm also going to add some compost and a little bit of neem cake powder. This will make a well-draining, nutrient-rich soil for the palak plant. If your garden soil is sandy, then you need not add extra sand, but you need to increase the amount of compost. And definitely you can add a little bit of trichoderma powder if you don't have the neem cake powder. It's a biofungicide and will prevent the fungal infection of the plant. Now fill up the pot with the soil, and then we need to take good quality palak seeds, and you can buy it online or you can get it from your local nursery. Then sprinkle the seeds like I'm doing, not too close together, because we have only a tiny pot and we want the seeds to be far apart so that there is no overcrowding and the seeds germinate nicely and the plants are strong and healthy. I'm covering the seeds with a little bit of soil. You can also use cocoa peat, and after that I'm just going to pat the soil a little bit, making sure that the seeds are covered properly with soil because the birds might eat it otherwise as they are not chemically treated. And then give it a good drench of water. The first time you water the pot, make sure you water it thoroughly so that the seeds can swell up and germinate easily, as I have not pre-soaked the seeds. If you'd like a quicker germination, you can pre-soak the seeds for some time before using it. And then after about 5 days, you can see the seeds have started germinating, and I have not put the seeds too close together, so there is adequate space between the seeds. And after a few days, you will see that the plants have started growing nicely. Once the true leaves are formed, comes the big secret. This is a secret fertilizer which you give to your plant, and you will see how nice and big the leaves become. And it is completely organic and it is really beneficial for your palak plant. As you know, palak is rich in vitamin A, C, K, folate and minerals like iron and magnesium, potassium, manganese. So it's really good for your bone health and for vision, and it also protects against chronic diseases, making it a superfood. So adding this secret fertilizer makes the leaves just grow really big, and you get a lot of big leaves and adequate harvest even from a tiny pot. So over here for this video, I'm going to cut off the leaves, even though the leaves could have grown even more if I had left it for a few more days. But I wanted to finish off making this video by December. So I'm just harvesting my palak, so you can see how nice and fresh the palak are, and I'll tell you about the secret fertilizer at the end of the video. Now let me tell you a little bit about the pests also. Over here my palak was really fresh and healthy and I didn't have any pest attack, and I had also given it the antifungal powder, so there was no fungal issue also. At most caterpillars might come and they might eat the leaves, so you have to manually remove them from the plant, or you can give them a neem oil spray. And once the palak is cut, all you need to do is water the plant a little bit and leave it for about a week. And after 1 week, let me tell you the secret fertilizer that I will give it so that it regrows big leaves again. And this is the secret fertilizer. It is the liquid seaweed extract. I use this on my vegetable plants and also on my flower plants, and this is really beneficial and it is completely organic. It's a biostimulant. For drenching the soil, we need to take around 3 to 5 milliliter of this liquid per liter of water, and then you can add around 200 milliliter to a 6-inch pot. The instructions for foliar spraying and drenching of soil is provided in the pack, and you can follow that. You can buy this liquid fertilizer from your local nursery, and you can also buy it online. You can also buy the granules if you want and mix it in water and use it. So this is the secret to maximize your spinach yield even in a minimal space. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you enjoyed watching the step-by-step guide of growing organic palak at home. Happy gardening and thanks for watching.